JD Camp 26 here. We just do the repair and tips. And how you folks doing today? I appreciate you all coming out to see my videos. Much appreciation there. We're trying to make pourable silicone. We just squeezed one trigger of silicone into the cup. And we're going to use first one shot glass of thinner, paint thinner, and a squirt of silicone, a couple of drops. Okay. And if we don't use that other one, we'll just put it back. And some paint, one drop. And we got a stirrer here. So let's stir it up. Oh, this may just do the trick. I don't know. I might have to put that other silicone back. It's thinned out pretty well. Let's see. It's a little clumpy. I don't like it, the fact that it's clumpy. Stir it up really good. No, not yet. Okay, let's put the other one in. Okay, stir it up. That silicone is 100%, just to let you know. Doesn't smell too bad. I think we got it. Okay, we got a mold here too to use. Let's just get rid of this spatula over here. Put it over here. And pour it into the mold. Now, can you see that? We're gonna let this go overnight. And we've got something in there that we're molding. We just throw that away. So stay tuned. So we're looking at a 2-to-1 mix. Let's see how this flows. Seems a little, oh, this seems a little bit better. I'm going to let that sit overnight as well. You see that? This is a 2-to-1 mix of glycerin to silicone. So we've got 2 shot glasses here, one with glycerin and silicone, the other with glycerin, silicone, and paint thinner. Which do you think is going to be the winner? We'll see soon. So in this one, we're going to put paint thinner and a drop of paint, 1 ounce of silicone, and half a shot of glycerin. And mix this up. Okay. Try to do this so you guys see it. I don't know if there's enough silicone in this. It's kind of liquidy. Yeah, this is needs more silicone. Hang on. So we added a shot of silicone in there. That's 2 shots from the silicone from the caulking gun. It's a little bit thicker. Of course, this is going to have some bubbles in it. You're going to have to degas it. So, you know, let's not what do you call it, that out. So let's pour that in a cup. Sorry guys. Pour that in. And we're going to let this dry overnight as well. Put that to the side. So the magic of time, we're back. And we're going to check these. This is the silicone and glycerin. Yeah, that's not even cured at all. We're not going to even bother with that one. So let's wipe this off. And let's go to the next one. Is the silicone, 2 shots of thinner, a drop of paint, and glycerin. Let's try this one. This one is a little bit like a mold. Let's pull it out. Yeah, this one's very soft too. It's almost like a dragon skin. It's wet on the inside. So that one's no good. That one's not working. Let's go to two shots of silicone, thinner, and half a shot of glycerin. So let's try this one. Well, that's totally wet. That's no good. Nope. That's not good at all. Okay. Next one, the fourth and last one, is 3 shots of silicone, 1 shot of paint thinner, and drop of glycerin. This one's harder. It's got some liquid to it. Has some promise. Oh yeah, that's a lot harder. So I'd go with that one. That one's going to be in the description. I would put more silicone in this and less paint thinner. And you could make a mold with this fourth one. So I want to show you these and show you that it's very difficult to make this stuff. And basically, if you're not successful making this stuff, don't do it on a part that you care about. Just buy the stuff. Buy it from Smooth On, Brick in the Yard, or one of the other companies, and then you'll be sure when you go to make your molds. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and thanks for subscribing. You're a bunch of great subscribers and YouTubers. Take care.